In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your fog light bulb on your Mercedes-Benz C300. It's located behind your bumper. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to remove our wheel. For this last one, you want to keep a hand on the wheel. And remove it. We're going to remove this bolt here. Yours is probably a different size than ours. Ours is aftermarket. So I'm going to use my 8mm socket on this. And remove it. Reach up, twist. You're going to turn to the left or counterclockwise and remove the bulb like that. To remove the bulb, you're going to push in on these two plastic tabs and unplug it. To install, you're just going to push it in. Make sure you're lined up with that notch. Line it up and push it on. Put your bulb in. Line up the big tabs where the big spaces are and the small tab where the small space is. Push it in and turn clockwise to lock it in. Now we're going to put our fender liner back. Get it past this metal pad of the car and get it above the engine splash shield. And now you can put your bolt in here. When you put your wheel back on, you want to make sure that your lug nuts studs are going to line up. Once they're lined up, you're going to get one started. You are going to need your socket to do that. Now you can let go and do the rest. Now we're going to snug them up. We're going to do that in a star-like pattern using a 17mm socket. Make sure you do not over-tighten. We're going to torque our wheel to 96 foot-pounds. We're going to do that in a star-like pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.